Assembly. Use the locking mechanism to make sure the shield is attached very securely to the paintbrush, and make sure the tips of the paint bristles are exactly even with the tips of the shield. Create a gap between the two shields by inserting one of the Emery Edger filler pads into the reservoir between the two shields. This can also be accomplished using a small piece of folded paper towel. Make sure the gap between the two shields is at least 1/8 of an inch wide. How to unlock and lock the shield. To unlock, with a flathead screwdriver, push the locking tab backwards towards the paintbrush bristles. This motion will loosen the locking pin. To lock, slide the locking pin through the hole while at the same time pushing the locking tab forward, away from the paintbrush bristles. You will hear clicking sounds as the two pieces become tighter and tighter. Push together forcefully to make sure the unit is very secure. How to paint the edge. Open the shield using the thumb tab. Load the paintbrush with a generous amount of paint and close the shield. Grip the paintbrush very lightly at the base of the handle, very similar to how you hold a pencil. This is very important for better control. While painting, you must hold the brush at an extreme sideways angle. The locking mechanism on the shield should almost be touching the wall. Do not aggressively push the shield into the edge. Just hold it lightly and brush up and down in a gentle motion. Keep the tips of the shield consistently in the crease of the edge while slowly brushing in an up and down motion 2 to 3 feet per application.